Welcome to the channel. My name is Aaron and I am here because I love technology. You are here because you love technology, and more importantly, we are here together because you are going with me on my amazing audio quest for the perfect earbuds, in which I have to make the least amount of compromises. Now, I've gone through all sorts of earbuds. I've gone through the Beats Wireless Pro. I've gone through the LV tuned by Master and Dynamics. I've done the Sony earbuds. I've recently done the Bose earbuds, and I also have done the Samsung, and there's a few others, and all the Apple AirPods all in between, right? I've done them all, but now I have something different, something I haven't done yet, something I'm unfamiliar with. Let's get into it. What do we have? Echo Buds. We have the Echo Buds right here, and we have the, looks like Comply memory foam tips. So this showed up as a cute little suggestion, and I thought, yeah, let me go ahead and give it a try. It says here, secure fit, comfortable wear, blocks distractions. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these opened, loaded up, and test them out with the buds they come with, and then I'm going to try these to see if it really makes a difference. Look at this, it's got some weight to it. Sorry. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so this is another micro USB, which I am not a fan of, not at all. Shame on you for giving me this. Shame on you, Jeff. And it looks like I got inside of here all sorts of little accessories and tips and ways for these things to fit into my ears. So I like that. It gives me options right out the gate. I didn't know I was gonna have that many options, but with this, I've got even more. Hello, Echo Buds. What's in the box? Microphone, USB, ear tip wings, charging case. Download Alexa app. I didn't know Alexa was involved with this. I've been avoiding Alexa. This is how they're infiltrating our lives. They're giving us gadgets in which we want to use in order to steal and collect our data.
You think I don't know what you're up to, Jeff?
So there you have it. Alexa found a way into my life. Echo Buds found nearby. That was pretty easy peasy. Proceed and agree to terms and conditions found here. Let's say we read them together. Just joking. I'm not really gonna read it. They don't really expect us to read this, do they? Now, it does stay on here. Alexa Bluetooth sweat resistant earbuds. Premium sound, comfortable fit, voice control, hands-free. Now, I also remember somewhere, look at this. It says it right here. Active noise reduction Bose. Are these like made by Bose? I don't know. Kind of wonder. Start test. Play a sound. Okay, Google. Play royalty-free music with Google Music. It's like I can change the volume in which pass-through enters my ears, which is pretty cool. Even when I'm here talking right now, my voice is clearly amplified. And when I turn it off, then everything's muffled again. So they don't appear to have any other buttons on them. Let's see what the music sounds like, shall we? All right, it sounds good, but I actually think, in this case, I actually think bigger is not actually better when it comes to earbuds. I think that the smaller ones had a more snugger fit and they felt more secure in my ear. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one back in. My plan was to pair these up with both iOS and Android to kind of see what the pairing experience was. Since you pair using the Alexa app, it's really seamless, it's really easy. I don't really think I need to waste your time pairing it up on an Android device. Probably gonna be extremely similar to the iOS device. With that being said, my initial thoughts is they sound good. They have a much deeper bass than I ever could have imagined. The highs and the trebles I think are a little understated. I think it could be a little louder overall, but the volume level is good. And even maxed out, I wasn't able to get it to the point where I'm like, whoa, too loud, turn it down. I had it up all the way and it sounded just fine. Let's go ahead and take a quick little run through of this again in case you didn't get a good look before. Here is the case. You have your charging port right there. You have the hinge here, and I will share with you, it feels premium to the point where the Bose feel premium. The only difference is the Bose have a little button there, which I got the Bose right over here, and it feels like the same exact plastic to me. I don't know if that's a coincidence or if they're all making the stuff at the same place, but they do look a lot like the Bose. So they are a little different, but the overall form factor, it's there a little bit. Obviously this is more beefier, probably better battery, a little bit louder, sounds a little better, but is it worth the price difference is always the question. For these, I think I picked these up for like 89 bucks. They were on sale, which is a tremendous deal. I would think anybody who's looking for earbuds would look at this and say, yeah, that's a good deal. 89 bucks for these. Let's jump on. The real test, of course, with everything is how do they work in real life situations. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in, and I'm gonna call somebody really quick, and I'm gonna do a voice test, and I'm gonna see if they say if they could hear me or not, or if they're gonna complain about my sound. Hey Siri, call Mom Mobile. Hola, how are you? I'm doing okay. I'm in the middle of making a YouTube video and I'm currently recording this, but you are not on the recording. But I wanted to ask your opinion. I am wearing the Earbuds from Amazon, so that means Alexa has now infiltrated my life. But how do I sound? I sound good. Okay. Better than the last pair I called you on, which was the Bose is what I had on earlier. Go in the kitchen and make some noise. How about I'll just stay where I am and I'll make some noise. Not bad. Okay. All right. Well, that concludes the test. All right. I appreciate it. Love you. Bye. So Mom can hear me and she's a deaf old lady. She wanted you to know that. She actually said I'm a deaf old lady. I didn't make that up. I'm going to go ahead and save these for another video coming up. I think we spent enough time together. You guys get the idea. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw today, please go ahead and consider hitting that thumbs up button. If you really like what you saw, please consider hitting the subscribe button. If you didn't like the video, you can hit the thumbs down button, but be warned. I'm warning you that your computer or your cell phone may self-destruct. If you're on a tablet, your tablets are safe. Tablets, they don't explode. Don't be silly. Don't forget, you can follow me on Twitter. If you want to follow me on Twitter, you can. I would love to follow you back. Let me know you found my video, then you found my Twitter, and I'll follow you back. For the love of tech, namaste.